In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Steam on laptop PC. We'll walk through the official download process for both Windows and Mac so you can get set up quickly and safely. Steam is a popular platform for buying, downloading, and managing PC games, and the easiest way to get it is straight from the source. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to store.steampowered.com. Type it directly into the address bar to make sure you're on the official Steam website. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner and click the green Install Steam button. This will begin the download. On Windows, your browser will download a file called steamsetup.exe. On a Mac, you'll get a file named steam.dmg. If your browser asks where to save the file, the default downloads folder is perfectly fine. When the download finishes, locate the file. You can usually click it from your browser's downloads list, or open your downloads folder through File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac. Double-click the file to launch the installer. On Windows, the Steam Setup window will open. Follow the on-screen prompts. First, choose your preferred language. Next, you'll see the install location. The default path on the C drive works for most people, especially if you're not sure where to put it. Click Next, then Install, and let the setup complete. The installer may take a moment as it copies files, so just keep the window open until it finishes. On a Mac, double-clicking steam.dmg opens a small window showing the Steam icon and an Applications folder shortcut. Drag the Steam icon directly into the Applications folder. That drag and drop action installs Steam on your Mac. Once the copy finishes, Steam is now in your applications, ready for use. That's it. Thanks for watching.